Composting is a simple and eco-friendly way to reduce waste and improve soil health. But here's the problem. Many people don't know how to compost correctly, and that's where things can go wrong. Without proper knowledge, people might add the wrong materials to their compost, like meat, dairy, or plastics. These items don't break down easily and can cause bad odors, attract pests, or even contaminate the compost. Some may also struggle with balance. Too much green waste like food scraps or too much brown waste like dry leaves. The right mix is crucial for a healthy compost pile. When done wrong, compost can become a soggy, smelly mess, which discourages people from continuing the process. But here's the good news. Composting doesn't have to be complicated. With just a little knowledge, anyone can create nutrient-rich compost at home. It's all about getting the balance right. A mix of greens and browns, keeping the pile aerated, and adding the right materials. At myToolStore, we provide tools and tips to make composting easy and effective. Even if you're just starting out, from compost bins to helpful guides, we've got everything you need to get it right. Ready to start composting the right way? Visit myToolStore and discover how simple it can be to turn waste into something wonderful for your garden and for the planet.